Alright, so I wanted to show some refactoring tools that the Jetbrains IDEs have. So I'm gonna write some nonsense code to show them. So let's say I'm gonna put some value here that, and I'm gonna extract it to a variable like arcount. Now I'm gonna extract this to a method like some function, and I don't know, let's say I add a value here and I want to extract it to a variable, but not just that, but both things here, and then this is args or something. And then here I could do some calculation based on that, and I can create a function. This is args return size. Let's say I just want to add some value here and I can extract it as a parameter x, for example. Let's say I print x here as well. Oh, sorry, it would be 5, right? But I can extract both occurrences of that and call it x as well. Let's say I copy this, like make it different, and now I want to reorder the arguments. You see that worked, and I guess I can, I don't know, inline this variable, and I can also inline the method. I can inline all and remove the method, or keep the method. I want to remove the method, and you see how the parameter was changed correctly on each call. Yeah, that's it.